I lost so many hours by just recording a tutorial, because sometimes I just talk and the OBS has an overlay that my head is around here somewhere. And it overlaps with some of the settings within Gutenberg, so you can't follow the steps again. I only see that afterwards when I'm done recording, and when I do see that, then I need to record the whole section over again. Sometimes I just reshoot everything. And this is where the cam frame that I created together with code is the solution, because this is just a camera overlay. As you can see, I am overlapping some of the settings that are visible on the left-hand side. And I don't notice that, I don't see that, because it's an OBS. But now I will see that, because I can move my camera away. It not only does that, and adjust where it will be set. You can make shortcuts, so it will position to another place. You have some settings, you can make it full screen, and that sort of things. It was really fun coding this app, and you can get it for free. It's all totally open source, use at your own risk, and is in the GitHub link in the description down below. If you like it, give this a like and let me know what you think about it. Have fun, see you around.